For this project, you'll need 2 8-inch swatches of fabric. We're using our Selvage velvet, a basic sewing kit, a zipper foot, scraps of bias tape, 1 6.5-inch closed-end zipper, a 7-inch square of 4-ounce quilt batting, and a glue stick. Don't forget your sewing machine. Trim the selvage off the swatches until you have 2 8-inch squares. Cut the lining fabric in half so you have 2 4-inch by 8-inch rectangles. Cut your bias binding into 2 1.5-inch lengths. Unfold one side of the bias tape and align the unfolded edge with one end of the zipper, right side down against wrong side of zipper. Stitch straight along the fold. Repeat on the opposite end of the zipper to seal up the edges neatly. Fold the outer fabric in half with right sides together and press. Unfold and place one side of the zipper face down against the right side of one long edge of the fabric. Place one half of the lining right side down on top so the zipper is sandwiched between the 2 fabrics, lining up all raw edges, and pin. Use a zipper foot to stitch 1/4 inch from the edge. Open it up so the zipper is poking out between the 2 pieces of fabric and press. Refold the outer fabric and line up the opposite side of the zipper face down on the right side of the fabric, then pin the second lining piece with the right side facing inward to the zipper and outer fabric. Open the zipper up and pin the lining together and the outer fabric sides together and stitch a 3/8 inch seam along the sides. Turn everything right side out through the zipper so the outer fabric is on the outside, but leave the lining poking out of the zipper. Reach in with the glue stick and run it lightly over the wrong side of the outer fabric. This bit of glue is going to help hold the batting in place. Take your 7-inch square of craft foam or batting, fold it in half, and tuck it into the pouch past the lining, pressing gently so it sticks to the glue. With the lining still hanging out of the top through the zipper, sew the bottom of the lining closed with a straight stitch. Trim the seam and tuck the lining back into the pouch, enclosing the batting. Now your sunglasses case is ready, whether you go to the beach or leave them in the car. Happy making!